Do you love sipping on your cognac? Then take a look at the best cognac glasses to enhance the flavor and make your overall experience several times better. Knowing it can be difficult to choose the right sniffer, we decided to make things easier for you. We researched and identified 7 best types of cognac glasses and 1 type of sniffer you should avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best cognac glasses, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Schott Zwiesel Tritan Crystal Glass Pure Stemware Collection Cognac Glass. Schott Zwiesel is one of the most popular stemware brands. They're known for high-quality collections that ooze elegance and sophistication. You're probably wondering what makes their glass one of the best cognac glasses, and reasons for that are numerous. The glass is made of Tritan crystal, which doesn't contain lead, an important factor in stemware quality, as you'll learn below. Although made in a thin and crystal clear glass, the sniffer is dishwasher safe and beyond stylish. Even with regular use and washing, they stay clear, without marks and buildup that would taint the cognac taste as well. The wide bowl cups naturally in your hand and allows enough room for swirling. Another huge advantage of this glass is that Schott Zwiesel reinforces their stemware at the zones that are most vulnerable in order to prevent scratches, cracks, and breakage. That way, you get to enjoy drinking cognac from your favorite glasses for a long time, without having to go buy a new set quite frequently. Coming in at number 2, Personalized Cognac Whiskey Glass Monogram Initial Pewter Engraved Crest. If you're looking for the best small cognac sniffer for a wedding, anniversary, birthday gift, or any other special occasion, then this is a perfect choice. The brand behind this piece of stemware is Fine Occasion, the leading online supplier of unique and high-quality personalized gifts. Their sophisticated sniffers are monogrammed using their own lasers, embrochures, and engravers that add an ooze of elegance into every occasion, ranging from wedding day to unique presents and gifts for the dearest ones. Each sniffer comes with a customer letter crest of a customer's choice. You can choose your own initials, a family name, or even favorite sports team, and options are truly endless. It's important to mention sniffers are made of lead-free and hand-blown glass, while the crests are made from pewter and are hand-polished to perfection. What makes this glass even better is the money-back guarantee. This sniffer is also a good choice of a present for persons who love glasses that are on the heavier side. Coming in at number 3, Libbey Craft Spirits Cognac Glasses. Libbey is one of the most reputable glassware brands in the Americas. The company was founded in 1818 in Massachusetts as New England's glass company and changed its name to Libbey in 1892. There are many reasons why the sniffer is one of the most popular cognac glasses, including its neat, simplistic, yet sophisticated design that suits every occasion, environment, and personal style. The short stem is smooth but sturdy, and designed make it easy to cradle the bowl of the glass to keep your cognac warm. Thanks to the wider bottom, your cognac can breathe and release all its wonderful aromas. Plus, the sniffer is lead-free, which only enhances the sparkle. The attractive glass enhances the artisanal libations that cognac lovers simply adore. Besides cognac, this sniffer is also roomy enough for cocktails and soft drinks, which only adds to the overall versatility of this piece of glassware. Made of high-quality glass, the sniffer feels hefty and proper in hand, which is exactly what men want when sipping on cognac after a long day at work. Looking to learn more about the best cognac glasses in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Riedel Vinum Leaded Crystal Brandy Cognac Glass. Looking for the best crystal cognac glasses? Then Riedel's is a wonderful option. Riedel is a glassware manufacturer based in Kufstein, Austria, and it's mainly known for products that are specifically designed to enhance different types of wine. This elegant glass was made of machine-blown leaded crystal to add beauty and sophistication to your table. What makes the Vinum line of glasses so amazing is that it is the first machine-made glass in history to be based in the characteristics of the grape variety. The glass is designed to improve drinking experience and enhance the flavor of your drink. Besides cognac and other types of brandy, Vinum is also suitable for wine and other beverages. Thanks to its simple shape, it's easy to warm up cognac in your hands, but it's important to bear in mind that although these glasses are high quality, they are also delicate and fragile, so you need to be careful when handling them. Coming in at number 5, Auroglass Stemless Cognac Sniffer Glasses. Some people love traditional sniffers, while others prefer more modern designs. If you belong to the latter group, then you'll definitely want to consider Aurora Glass's product. For starters, while most sniffers have a stem, this one does not. How cool is that? What makes it belong to the best sniffer for cognac list is the spill-resistant design. The glass features a stainless steel ball on the bottom, which allows the sniffer to rotate without actually spilling your drink. Beautiful design isn't the only thing that makes this sniffer a wonderful choice. It also elevates natural flavors of cognac. Heavy-duty feel, together with lead-free quality, makes this glass a great present as well. 2 glasses come in the set, which also features oak coasters with a hole in the middle where you can place the stainless steel ball to place the sniffer upright. Since the brand focuses on customer satisfaction, they also offer a money-back guarantee, which allows buyers to return the sniffers and get a refund if necessary. Coming in at number 6, Riedel Vinum Cognac Glasses. A vast majority of cognac glasses you see in the stores or online are small sniffers with a tiny stem. Sure, sniffers are considered the best type of glasses for cognac due to their potential to improve the aroma and taste of the drink, but there are other options too. Riedel, a popular Austrian brand, created one of the best Hennessy cognac glasses, and it is shaped like a tulip. The glass has a long stem, a wider bowl which narrows near the top and spreads again, just like the beautiful flower. The brand wanted to show that you can drink cognac in different ways and still experience that wonderful taste the same way you would with traditional sniffers. Like the above-mentioned Vinum glasses, these ones are also machine-made, and only the finest crystals were used in the process. The glass is dishwasher safe and remains clear and sophisticated even with regular use and handling. Tulip-shaped glass is beautiful and elegant, and it's more suitable for drinking neat rather than on rocks. Coming in at number 7, Vintage Russian Crystal Brandy Cognac Sniffer. The last, but certainly not the least, the item on the list best sniffers is made by Newman Glassworks, a company with century-old traditions of glass melting. Unlike most sniffers, which have a plain body, this one is decorated and incredibly classy. Premium quality hand-cut crystal glass was used to make this beauty which it is, in addition to cognac, suitable for other types of brandy, tequila, vodka, mini cocktails, and other beverages. This particular sniffer gives more elegance to your home, some specific occasion, and it's also a great gift. Lavishly faceted walls still showcase the deepest nuances of color and texture of cognac. Plus, the sniffer is durable and doesn't require too much maintenance, meaning it won't develop spots and other problems that impact the sparkle of the glass. 2 sniffers come in the set. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cognac glass. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com cognac glass to avoid. English Pewter Company Brandy Cognac Glass. Indeed, cognac enthusiasts have plenty of sniffers to choose from and buy the one they find ideal for their needs and preferences. At the same time, some glasses are not a good choice, and that also includes the sniffers made by English Pewter Company from Sheffield, England. These are personalized glasses that feature a customer's initials or another letter of their choices. While they claim only the highest standards were followed in the making process, that may not be true, as customers complain the letter simply falls off. In addition, some customers complain that while the sniffer looked great when it arrived, they still rubbed off Monogram just by holding a thumb there while turning the glass to inspect it. So, bearing in mind that cognac enthusiasts expect a certain standard in quality, this is one of the worst cognac glasses on the market. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best cognac glass. The choice of cognac glass can make or break the overall experience. Your goal is to enhance the flavor and fully enjoy everything this type of brandy has to offer. You have plenty of options to consider, as seen in this post. The best cognac glasses are made of the finest crystals, are lead-free, and are shaped to allow you to get the most out of its flavor and aroma. Looking to learn more about the best cognac glass in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cognac glass. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.